Neil here from R Clean. So we're doing a full exterior wash for this customer today, and she's also asked me to clean up this kind of fence line. It's a beautiful greenish mould growing on a black fence. So let me show you what we can achieve. Yeah, so as you can see, it comes up like new. As long as the paintwork is in reasonable condition, then it won't flake. There's a few little bit of flaking here. You can see, as you can see, our equipment allows us to throttle the pressure, so we can actually work to the surface. If it's more delicate, we just back off the pressure, and vice versa. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you need your fence cleaned, you know who to call.